Well, I guess in these troubled times, we all have to entertain ourselves somehow. Introducing Project Esky, an open source software framework for high-fidelity extended reality experiences capable of deployment on any combination of head-worn display, compute pack, and tracking systems. This enables users to create high-fidelity XR experiences with persistence, 6 degrees of freedom head tracking, and hand interactions with virtual content. Our asynchronous rendering pipeline allows us to include techniques to handle renderer and tracking latencies via asynchronous, temporal reprojection, and post-prediction. This allows us to run Project Esky on much cheaper and weaker hardware but still achieve the same high fidelity. This project is open source, making it a powerful research and development tool for both researchers and hobbyists to rapidly develop high-fidelity XR experiences.